Da li ste ikada gledali bosanske zavrzlame?
Ej, evo ti žara.
Sad ćemo te gurnut da upadneš.
Žara. Žara.
Ej, možemo li te gurnut da upadneš?
If you like, I have to be very careful with the children.
No, wait a second. Wait. Hold. Oh, what a musculus.
I'm coming down.
For googe gooey. How are you?
Coming down.
Oh, fine. Oh, wonderful. What's going on in the sky?
My first impression about this attempt is that I was incorporated. Come on here, I will explain something. Hey, listen, this is my first attempt to cross this 20-foot problems between the earth and the heaven. I climb, and in one moment I feel that I'm scared about the height, but in that moment my friend from down there, on your note belly, he said, you can do it! You can do it! And I do it!
Okay, one question. Did you want to catch that moon?
In the beginning, I want to catch the moon, but when I reach and I say to myself, it's too high for me. Next time, I will do it and I will catch the moon. I will catch the moon.
The first Bosnian, or did you Bosnian?
Yes, I'm Bosnian.
From where?
From Bosnia.
Oh yeah. Hey, Mali. Yes.